Okay, so let's solve this last set of questions here. Subtract the sum of 3a minus 4 and 9a from 10 minus 7a. Okay, so similar to earlier question, the sum of this and this will be 3a minus 4 plus 9a. Okay, and we're going to subtract it from 10 minus 7a. So 10 minus 7a is going to, we're going to subtract this expression from 10 minus 7a. Okay, so that is how you write out the entire expression first. Okay, so once you have that, we can go ahead to do the expansion work. So this 10 minus 7a can be written as 10 minus 7a since there is no coefficient in front of it. Okay, now we will focus on the square bracket first. All right, so we have 3a minus 4 plus 9a. All right, so 9 plus 3, so 10 minus 7a minus 9 plus 3 is 12a minus 4. All right, now this is again very important whenever you have a negative sign in front of a bracket that you need to expand. So this is actually a negative 1. All right, so if you remember the expansion rules, so negative into positive will give me a negative 1 times 12 is 12a, and negative into negative will give me a positive 1 times 4 is 4. Then I can write the rest 10 minus 7a. All right, so the 10 plus 4, so this is a plus 10, so plus 10 and plus 4 I'll get 14, minus 7 and minus 12 I'll get minus 19a. So that is the final answer over here, 14 minus 19a. All right, so the next question here, solve, okay, so maybe I'll create a bit more space here. Solve 3 into 2b minus 7 equals to minus 3. Okay, so 3 into 2b minus 7 equals to minus 3. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is again open up the brackets. So this is a plus and this is a plus. So plus and plus will give me plus. So 3 times 2b will be 6b. And this is a minus. So plus times minus will give me a minus. So 3 times 7 will be 21 equals to minus 3. Okay, so when you say solve, that means since the unknown variable is b, what we want in the end is we want an expression to say b is equals to something. All right, and since b is already on the left hand side, it's easier. So whatever is left, which is the constant, we bring over. So 6b equals to negative 21 bring over will become positive 21. Okay, so 6b is equals to 21 minus 3 is 18. So b is equals to 18 over 6. All right, so b is equals to 3. That is the final answer here. Okay, so the last question here, solve for minus 3 x minus 4 equals to 48. All right, so let me write it out here. Minus 3 x minus 4 equals to 48. As before, we're going to expand the bracket first. So this is a plus over here. So minus into plus will give me minus. So minus 3x. All right, and minus into minus will give me plus. So 3 times 4 will be 12 equals to 48. Okay, so as I said before, even though we are solving for x and we want x to be equal to something, if x is a negative sign, I like to bring if x is a single value and it's a negative, I like to bring it over to the other side. So minus 3x bring over become positive 3x, and the 48 I bring over, so it's 12 plus 48 bring over become negative 48. Okay, so this will give me 12 minus 48 will be negative 36 equals to 3x. Alright, so now I can rearrange it the other way again. That means 3x is equals to negative 36. So x is equals to negative 36 over 3. Okay, and that will be equals to negative 12. Alright, so x is equals to negative 12. That is the final answer over here. Okay, thank you. Bye.